FDA Commissioner Dr. Marty Makary joins me now. Commissioner, it's great to have you with us. Thanks for joining us. I want to talk to you about Novavax, if I could. It's protein-based COVID vaccine you were an enthusiast for back in COVID. Its target date for permanent approval, as I understand it, was April 1. That's now been delayed. Why was it delayed? And if you'd be so kind, what role did your special assistant, Tracy Beth Hogue, play in that process?
Well, first of all, Major, good to be with you. And yes, you're right. I have been enthusiastic about non-mRNA COVID vaccines. To help with people who have a tough time with taking mRNA vaccines, I felt that it could increase vaccination rates. The last study that we have showing that it has a clinical benefit was from 2020 and 2021, and it excluded people with prior COVID infection. Now, essentially, everyone has natural immunity. So it's my general feeling, not with this particular product, which I can't discuss in depth, but with drugs in general, that we need to know if they work today in order to be able to recommend them. So we are asking some companies in general to do clinical studies, a basic clinical study, so we can educate the population and have information to work with. Should a 12-year-old thin, healthy girl get a 7th COVID shot this year? I don't know the answer to that because we don't have good clinical data. We can get that data.
And what about Tracy Beth Hogue? What role did she play in this evaluation process?
Dr. Hogue is an amazing MD PhD who has joined my staff as a special assistant to the commissioner, and she is involved in reviewing data sets at the agency, and I'm really excited to have her in the process.
And she'll be involved in other approval procedures, I gather.
She's an amazing, talented MD PhD, and we're lucky to have her, and that is our job at the FDA, to review data. I'm a science guy. I come from Johns Hopkins. I've published 300 scientific peer-reviewed studies.
I'm a science guy.
In my career, and so you're going to see gold standard science and common sense as two themes in this new FDA.
And for COVID shots for next winter generally, is the FDA still planning to approve updates to those?
We're taking a look. I can't comment on any particular application. As you know, we have a bunch of applications for those booster shots. Remember, Major, 85% of American healthcare workers said no to the last COVID booster. So we have a bit of a public trust problem. I think there's a void of data, and I think rather than allow that void to be filled with opinions, I'd like to see some good data.